Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. Alright, in today's exciting video we're going to be carving out this here bullet. Did the other bullet. It's hard to see, but it's there. It looks good too, it looks good. Still need some sand work. I haven't sanded it up yet because, well, I ain't to that part yet. Alright, and I kind of do this in parts. Alright, now this bullet here, I wanted to talk about a little bit. Because I got to looking at it real hard. And I don't know why I didn't notice it before. But I have some, a little bit in common with this one here. You see, because this is the birth date of Nathan. Redneck Renegade's boy. And I noticed that it was 7th month, 14th day, 1989. Well, the 7th month is July, and 14th is the day, and 89th is the year, of course. But I was born July 14th of 1972. And so we shared the same birthday, which I think is really neat. And 1989 was the year my oldest daughter was born. So he's exactly the same age as my oldest daughter, which is also very cool. Well, I just thought that was cool, and I thought I'd share that with you guys. And yeah. So, all right, without any further ado, let's get to this. Let's get this bullet business done so we can move on to the next project, which is I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking that I know we got to put a wood spirit in here somewhere, so I got to get these bullets in, and I got to go look at the picture again because I'm not sure, but I think there's supposed to be something down here too. I'm going by a picture that Redneck Renegade sent me, and I'm trying to get everything in there that he wanted and still make this look right. And believe me, Red, if it doesn't look right, it won't go in there, bud. Or at least I'll talk to you about it first anyway. Alright, so let's get to it. It ain't getting done here, me just sitting here jaw-jacking, right?
Then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. Yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. Yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman mind, kryptonite. Yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman mind, kryptonite. You call me strong, you call me weak, but still your secrets I will keep. You took for granted all the times I never let you down. You stumbled in and bumped your head. If not for me, then you'd be dead. I picked you up, put you back on solid ground. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. Then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. Yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? call me Superman. If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman mind. Kryptonite, yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman mind. Kryptonite. You call me strong, you call me weak, but still your secrets I will keep. You took for granted all the times I never let you down. You stumbled in and bumped your head. If not for me, then you'd be dead. I picked you up, put you back on solid ground. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might. Kryptonite.
A little bit of sanding, and we'll have that all straightened out, and that'll look good. Got it all there. There's the final bullet. Get that straightened out. As soon as it's sanded up, it'll look great. Just because this one, let me do some sanding on it, and I'll bring it back. There we go. I just did some light sanding. It's not all sanded up yet. But because it's all rough, it's all got to be sanded yet. And I don't want to do too much to it, like I said, till I get it all finished. Once it's all finished, then I can sand it, and I ain't got to worry about, am I taking too much away? Because there's a lot of sanding that has to be done here. And besides that, I don't want to sand parts that won't be there later. You know what I mean? And so we're almost there. Not bad, huh? What do you think? Tell me in the comments what you think. You know, good or bad, you know. It's all good. I like to hear from you guys, and I like to know what you think about what I'm doing, and if I'm doing a good job or not. This is some tough wood to work with, boy. It's harder than nails. But boy, it sure is pretty. All right, one bullet down, or two bullets down. We've got the bullets done now. On to the next thing. What will it be? We'll leave that for a surprise. All right, we'll see you in the next one. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Banner. I'm out.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources.
You don't know the power of the dark side. The power of the dark side.